So today we are going to Imli, which is on Golf Course Road, One Horizon Center. And this chain is already there in Delhi. It's there in Rajendra Place, it's there in Rajouri Garden, and I love the place because of its decor. So it is always made in some kind of a setup. For example, in Rajendra Place it's there in the form of a train. In Rajouri Garden it's there in the form of a bus stop. So I'm very excited to see how this one is. And it has street food, so our favorite, and I'm starving since breakfast to eat more and more. So let's go. Come inside, settled here, and this is a much smaller Imli than the Delhi chains. So I was a tad bit disappointed because of what will be a theme, but nevertheless it's very colorful, and outside is amazing. So if you all have been to Cyber Hub, you would know how every restaurant is near one common area, and that is how this area has been done. So it's in between One Horizon Center and Two Horizon Center. When we go out, I'll give you a view, but right now we are here settled in. We ordered shikanji, and there were 3 types of shikanji. So we ordered regular and kokum. Kokum is a speciality here. And we got dahi golgappe chaat, and the photograph of that was amazing. You will see and you will know why we ordered it the first thing. And our first leg of the food is here just in less than 2 minutes. We have the shikanji, the regular and the kokum. It looks yum. And look at this dahi golgappa setup. Oh my god, this is just so good to look at. This takes me back to the Banta days outside of college. Same like that. Let's see the kokum now. So this is like the kokum that you use like the fruit with a little bit of a fizz, which is okay. I think you need an acquired taste here, but this one is amazing. I'll try one of these golgappas. This is how it looks. I'll try. Just look at these chole kulche. Cheese burst dosa. This looks heavenly. It's been served with sambar and the white chutney, tomato chutney. So we are halfway through our meal, and as you can see, we have not finished it. We are not able to finish it because it's very heavy. The chole kulche were amazing. The chole have been perfectly cooked with the perfect masala, accompanied with a chutney, khatti mitti chutney of onions and adrak. And the kulchas were stuffed with aloo. And this is like a perfect meal you get in Punjab specifically because the taste is very authentic. And the Imli way dosa, the cheese burst dosa, which I've had last in Mumbai, with the rolls of dosa and cheese on top. The filling is really good, and it is so heavy we are not able to finish this. The sambar chutneys are normal, but very satisfying. So we've come outside, and it has an outside seating like you can see, And this has a common area in the center, all the restaurants like Cafe Tonino, Whiskey Sambar, Town Hall, and I'm sure it'll be amazing in the evening, and as it gets cooler it'll be great to chill here. For dessert we have got jamun kulfi. Although we have packed the food that we had here and we could not finish, but dessert. This kulfi is nice, but it is extra sweet, so little -1 here, but I like how it's giving me relief in this sunny weather. So we are done with the meal and we ended up paying 900 for 2 people. That is just 450 per person, and we had so much food. This is amazing on the pocket, totally affordable and pure vegetarian. For all the people out there who don't like to go to non-vegetarian places, this is for you. And I had a very good chat with the head chef here, Mr. Mayur, and he told us how there was a gap of a restaurant serving good street food, hygienic street food, that people could come and trust it for its hygiene, and that is why Imli's been doing really well. This outlet in Gurgaon opened like 1 month back, and it has already got such good footfall. And if you're around, I would suggest you to visit here for sure. The ambience, the service, the food, all of it is great. I would rate it 4 on 5 for all the amazing things it has offered to us. Must visit.